in HDFC Bank and its associate mutual funds requires a thorough analysis of its performance, market conditions, diversification, and financial outlook. HDFC Bank, a key player in the Indian banking sector, has shown significant growth and stability over the years. The HDFC Mid-Cap Opportunities Fund is a standout performer, boasting an impressive XIRR of 21.39%. A monthly SIP of 10,000 rupees from January 2014 to January 2024 in this fund would have turned a 12 lakh rupees investment into over 37 lakh rupees. However, the fund saw a 66% increase in its AUM between January 2023 and January 2024, a significant rise that poses challenges. As the fund size grows, the manager must identify more stock opportunities to deploy the fresh inflows. This task becomes difficult due to the small size of many mid-cap companies, which limits the ability to take large positions because of liquidity and higher impact cost constraints. The HDFC Large and Mid-Cap Fund offers potential above-average returns, especially in bullish markets. HDFC Bank's overall performance has been positive, with a 22% growth in net profit in the first quarter of the financial year 2023. This strong financial performance suggests a favorable outlook, potentially influencing HDFC's mutual fund positively. HDFC offers a diverse range of equity mutual funds catering to different investment objectives, including small cap, mid cap, large cap, and large and mid cap funds. The HDFC Mid-Cap Opportunities Fund has consistently outperformed its benchmark and category average over the past 3, 5, and 10 years. The category average has been lower than the benchmark in all time frames. Examining the rolling return of the HDFC Mid-Cap Opportunities Fund reveals further insights. Among 22 schemes, only 7 managed to outperform the benchmark, with HDFC Mid-Cap Opportunities being one of them. From January 2013 to January 2024, the fund showed an average rolling return of 17.09% per annum. In comparison, the Nifty Midcap 150 TRI had an average rolling return of 16.98%. It is equally important to consider how the fund performs during market downturns. A good fund should fall less than the market during corrections. To measure downside protection, we looked at periods when the midcap index fell by 5% or more since 2013. The HDFC Midcap Opportunities Fund performed better than the index in 10 out of 12 such periods. For instance, between August 16, 2022 and March 27, 2023, when the Nifty Midcap 150 TRI fell by 5.48%, the HDFC Midcap Opportunities Fund delivered a positive return of 0.65%. This demonstrates the fund's resilience during market corrections. Understanding the investment style of the HDFC Midcap Opportunities Fund provides further clarity. SEBI mandates that all mid-cap schemes must invest at least 65% of their assets in mid-cap stocks, with the remaining 35% allocated to large-cap or small-cap stocks or held in debt or cash. Historically, the fund has maintained an exposure between 65 to 70% to mid-cap stocks, with small-cap exposure varying between 15 and 28% and large-cap allocations ranging from 4% to 14%. Interestingly, the fund manager recently increased the large-cap allocation. As of January 2023 and January 2024, the large-cap allocation exceeded 10% for the first time. This shift could be attributed to the increased inflows, making it challenging to find enough opportunities in mid and small cap stocks. Additionally, high valuations in the mid-cap and small-cap space might have led the manager to prefer large caps in the current scenario. The portfolio turnover ratio is another critical metric. It indicates how often the fund buys and sells stocks. A high turnover ratio suggests frequent trading, while a low ratio indicates a buy and hold strategy. As of January 2024, the HDFC Midcap Opportunities Fund had a portfolio turnover ratio of just 19%, much lower than the Quant Midcap Fund with a ratio of 342. This low turnover ratio shows the fund manager's confidence in his stock picks, adhering to a long-term investment strategy. This high conviction is evident in the fund's top 10 bets, many of which have been in the portfolio since 2018. For example, Persistent System, which has been part of the portfolio since 2018, generated a 960% return between January 2018 and January 2024. Similarly, the Indian Hotels Company, another long-term holding, delivered a 269% return in the same period. Top holdings like Apollo Tyres, Max Healthcare, and Coforge have also generated substantial returns. The number of stocks in a fund's portfolio is another important consideration. A lower number of stocks means a more concentrated portfolio, where each stock has a higher allocation, making the fund more sensitive to individual stock movements. Conversely, a higher number of stocks means a more diversified portfolio, reducing the impact for any single stock on the overall performance. The HDFC Mid-Cap Opportunities Fund has maintained around 70 stocks in its portfolio over the last 5 years, higher than the category average. This diversified approach has contributed to the fund's better downside protection. The fund's AUM, especially in small and mid-cap categories, influences the number of stocks. Larger funds typically diversify across most stocks to manage liquidity and reduce exposure to single stocks. Despite a 66% growth in AUM over the past year, the fund manager has not significantly increased the number of stocks in the portfolio. While this could theoretically pose liquidity issues, the fund manager has successfully navigated this challenge, sticking to his investment approach. In investing in the HDFC Mid-Cap Opportunities Fund through platforms like the ET Money app offers additional benefits. Investors can enjoy commission-free investing, track all their investment in one place, and access features like portfolio health checks to identify hidden risks. Investing in HDFC Bank and its mutual fund, particularly the HDFC Mid-Cap Opportunities Fund, appears promising. The fund's strong historical performance, effective downside protection, diversified investment strategy, and the bank's positive financial outlook make it an attractive option for investors seeking exposure to well-performing mutual funds and stocks in varied market conditions. That's all for today. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe for more investment tips. Till then, happy investing.